SEI is sitting at a critical level that could either spark a rebound to 35 cents or trigger a collapse that drags it back toward 30 cents. This is not hype, this is straight from the charts. Right now, we're seeing a rare buy signal, tight price compression, and a fight between bulls and bears that looks like it's about to break wide open. In today's video, we're dissecting every technical clue: support, resistance, Fibonacci levels, MACD, RVI, plus the psychology driving traders at this moment. Stick around, because if you're holding SEI or thinking about jumping in, this breakdown could be the roadmap you need. SEI isn't just another random altcoin, it's a high-performance blockchain built for trading, and that narrative alone has made it a magnet for speculators. But markets don't care about potential narratives when the charts are bleeding. Over the last few sessions, SEI slid into the low 32 cents range, a level that has everyone asking, is this just a pit stop before liftoff, or the start of something uglier? Why is this moment so important? Because crypto thrives on momentum. When momentum dies, liquidity dries up, and when liquidity dries up, volatility tends to explode. Right now, SEI is caught in that exact scenario: momentum fading, volume steady, and traders loading up on both sides of the trade. The first piece of suspense comes from the TD Sequential indicator. Analyst Ali flagged this on X. SEI just triggered a C13 buy signal. For those new to this, the TD Sequential is like a countdown clock that measures exhaustion in trends. When you see a 9 or a 13, it usually means the trend, up or down, is running out of steam. In this case, after days of relentless red candles, we're finally seeing that exhaustion marker pop up. The last time SEI printed a TD9, it bounced shortly after. So traders are now eyeing this 13 and asking, could this be the launch pad for another rebound? The uncertainty lies here. Buy signals are not guarantees, they're probabilities. And crypto loves nothing more than baiting traders with false signals before reversing. If you pull up the SEI USDT chart, you'll notice something fascinating. The candles are shrinking. Gone are the wide-bodied sell-offs. In their place, we're seeing little candles bunching together like they're waiting for something. That something is a breakout. This candle compression around $0.318 to 32 cents screams indecision. Imagine a pressure cooker on the stove. The steam is building, the lid is rattling, and at some point it's either going to blow upward or snap downward. That's where SEI is right now. This is why the support zone matters. Traders are testing this floor, trying to see if there's enough buying interest to stop another slide. If the floor holds, it sets the stage for a bullish reversal. If not, the floor becomes a trapdoor. Let's get into the levels everyone's watching. Using Fibonacci retracement, the next checkpoints are $0.326 and $0.334. These aren't just random numbers, they're levels where traders historically set stop losses, take profits, or pile into positions. Break through these, and SEI could run toward 34 cents, 35 cents. But here's the catch. Failure to clear these hurdles means SEI could get stuck in consolidation. And in consolidation, price goes nowhere fast, frustrating both bulls and bears until someone blinks. Now, the raw numbers. As of now, SEI trades at 32 cents, down 6.22% in the past 24 hours, with a market cap of $1.94 billion. Trading volume sits at $104 million, which is no small feat. Despite the decline, traders are still moving money in and out of this token aggressively. The intraday range between $0.315 and $0.335 shows exactly what we've been talking about. Tight price action, no decisive winner yet. Liquidity pools are forming on both sides, and that means when the breakout comes, it won't be a gentle jog, it'll be a sprint. Let's zoom in on support. The 31 cents 32 cents zone has become SEI's shield wall. Buyers keep stepping in here, absorbing the selling pressure, almost like they're daring the bears to push harder. If this level holds, we could be looking at a relief rally back to 34 cents, 35 cents. But if the shield wall cracks, sellers will swarm, and the next support lies uncomfortably lower. In crypto, once a key support gives way, the speed of the drop often doubles. This is why 32 cents isn't just a number, it's the line between hope and despair for SEI bulls. Now, let's break down the indicators. MACD, slightly bullish. The line at 0.0066 sits above the signal line at 0.0057, and the histogram is positive. That's good news. The bad news? The bars are tiny, showing buyers aren't exactly storming in with confidence. RVI, at 37.78, below its moving average of 47.05, this indicator is pointing to bearish control. The RVI works a bit like RSI, it tells us about conviction. Right now, conviction is weak on the buy side. Combine these and you get the picture. Buyers have potential, but the bears still have the upper hand in momentum. SEI's daily chart stretches from $0.1303 to $0.3903. That's the playground this token has been living in. The fact that we're now consolidating at the lower middle end of that range says two things. One, SEI has plenty of room to move upward if buyers take charge. Two, it also has plenty of space to fall if sentiment flips. This is why traders are so cautious here. The risk-reward ratio is huge, but only if you're on the right side of the breakout. Think of SEI like a player on the sidelines of a soccer match, tying their shoes while everyone else is sprinting. You know, the second those laces are tight, they're either going to score a goal or trip over their own feet. That's what candle compression feels like. Tense, slightly ridiculous, but packed with potential drama. Let's zoom out from SEI for a second. What we're seeing is classic crypto market psychology at work. After a steep decline, fear dominates. Traders hesitate to buy, afraid the slide will continue. Meanwhile, sellers get tired. How much lower can it really go? That tug of war creates these compressed ranges. Smart money often buys when charts look boring. Why? Because boring charts usually precede exciting moves. Retail traders love chasing green candles. Institutions love scooping up red ones. If SEI rebounds here, it's likely because quiet accumulation was happening while most people were distracted. We've seen this play out before. Back in July, SEI surged after a similar compression phase. Again in September, a short-term squeeze pushed it toward higher levels. The pattern repeats: compression, breakout, relief rally. The key difference this time is that momentum is weaker. MACD and RVI aren't screaming bullishness, they're whispering it. That makes this setup riskier but also potentially more explosive if conviction builds. If SEI holds the 32 cents floor and clears resistance at $0.334, we could see a push to 35 cents and potentially even 37 cents if momentum snowballs. This would require volume to spike, buy signals to confirm, and sentiment across altcoins to remain supportive. Bearish case. If SEI loses 32 cents, the next support lies closer to 30 cents. And if that level caves, traders may start eyeing the 28 cent zone. That would represent a serious breakdown and could trap late buyers in heavy losses. Neutral case, SEI chops between 31 cents and 34 cents, frustrating everyone, until a macro catalyst, Bitcoin moving, news about SEI's ecosystem, or broader market sentiment decides the outcome. It's basically like waiting for your food delivery app when the driver keeps circling your street without pulling in. You know something's about to happen, but whether you get your hot meal or an apologetic refund is anyone's guess. Quick question for you. Do you see SEI bouncing here, or do you think this support breaks? Drop your prediction in the comments. And hey, if you're getting value from this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe. We're building a community of traders who don't just chase hype, but understand the signals driving these markets. SEI right now is the definition of a high-stakes standoff. The TD Sequential, candle compression, and Fibonacci targets all point to a possible rebound. But weak momentum indicators are waving yellow flags. The decision point is clear. 32 cent support, that's the battlefield. As long as it holds, bulls have a fighting chance to push toward 35 cents. If it breaks, the bears tighten their grip. This is why traders are glued to SEI right now. It's not just about this token, it's about how crypto reacts to exhaustion, support, and market psychology. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. We cover not just SEI, but also Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and the altcoins shaping the next market cycle. And if you're hungry for more deep dive crypto analysis, check out the other videos on my channel right after this one. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment, and remember, the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose.